We're really excited about our new product, the UpCycle Cage. The UpCycle Cage is a deceptively simple design with a radical new feature that makes a world of a difference for everyday bicycle riders. When you use a water bottle cage on your bicycle, most cages fit only one bottle, but we made the UpCycle Cage adjustable in size, and it's the only water bottle cage ever designed with this level of flexibility. It can carry bottles of almost any shape and size safely and securely. So when you're going about your day-to-day life, you can bring whatever you normally drink with you on your bicycle frame and let the frame carry the weight, whether it's a 12-ouncer or a 40, with great ease and more safety. With all stainless steel construction, the UpCycle Cage won't rust in the rain, and it's lined with leather on the inside, so there's no scraping metal-on-metal contact with your water bottle. The UpCycle Cage has a universal bicycle fit. It mounts to the water bottle bosses that come standard on virtually all bicycle frames. Simply install with the included screws into the existing holes on your frame. The UpCycle Cage is made out of upcycled, factory-rejected Klean Kanteen bottles, turning a waste product into something new instead of melting it down to recycle it. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye from Walnut Studiolo.